ACT theory. ACT is a general theory of cognition developed by Jen Anderson that focuses on memory processes. ACT distinguishes among three types of memory structures, namely declarative, procedural, and working memory. Declarative memory takes the form of a semantic net linking propositions, images, and sequences by association. Procedural memory, also known as long-term, represents information in the form of productions. Each production has a set of conditions and actions based in declarative memory. The nodes of long-term memory all have some degree of activation, and working memory is that part of long-term memory that is most highly activated. Adaptive structuration. Adaptive structuration theory is based on Anthony Giddens' structuration theory. This theory is formulated as the production and reproduction of the social systems through members' use of rules and resources and interaction. DeSantis and Poole adopted Giddens' theory to study the interaction of groups and organizations with information technology, and called it adaptive structuration theory.
Ito, pre, matangis ito, binocular, pre.
Lumulwag ka na.
Likod. Napangin ito, pre.
Good morning! Okay guys, so today I'll be at the campus to attend the meeting, which means I won't be around for you today. But I will leave something for you to accomplish. I want you to research about the act theory, and on our next meeting, prepare a drama about it. So, who's your class president? Okay, I'll be giving the guidelines to Ms. Gonzalez. Okay? Do you have any questions?
None, ma'am.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Hey classmates, do you have any idea about the sun topic?
I have.
So, what's with that?
It has something to do with psychology.
Oh, so it is connected with psychology? Remember, on our first semester, we tackled about that. In psychology, before you store something in your memory, you must first encode, and then store, and lastly, retrieve.
So, what's the connection?
In psychology, there is encoding, storage, and retrieval. While in act theory, there is declarative, procedural, and working memory. Guys, we better read it all for us to know the connection of that.
Yes.
Okay, let's read it tomorrow because I have my work day.
Okay.
Bye guys! Bye. Okay, guys, do you have any questions? Clarification? Suggestions? Okay, then see you next week.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Elaine missed the first class in second semester. She hadn't seen the syllabus, so she didn't know what to expect in the second class. When she went to her room, she was surprised to find out that there were 10 students in the class and has no core syllabus and no instructor.
Well, I don't have any idea. Our instructor didn't give us our syllabus. Do you think your professor will illustrate?
Maybe yes, I think so. But it's already 15 minutes late.
What about you?
What kind of school is this? There are no syllabus. No professors. Oh gosh.
Actually, our prof had made our section an experiment. We made our class an experimental section, so we can do whatever we want and do some rules and regulations.
Well then I think we should start doing the task.
Okay, class. Okay, guys. About the structure of this section. What time and date do you want to study this course? Miss Joanna.
What is NWF with the time of 7 to 8 a.m.?
Wait.
I don't agree with that. Just to inform you guys, I'm a working student. I'm occupying that day.
How about yesterday Thursday with the time of 12 p.m. to 2 p.m.?
Okay, we can study that day.
They also discussed the text they will use in system of grades. Essentially, the group is free to shape the course any way it wants. 1 hour later, Elaine told herself to drop this course.
I would like to take math in this course.
Math? What kind of math?
Solid mensuration.
Wait. Are you sure? Solid mensuration is for engineering student. You're communication student, remember?
But solid mensuration is my specialty. So we're in the experimental section, so we can do whatever we want.
But think of them. Do they know the solid mensuration? And they should focus on communication theory, English. No.
My God. Do you have any suggestions?
Volunteer enroll in this program if you want that subject in math.
Because engineering don't have any stats.
I think we should take algebra because we're first year students and algebra is the program for first year.
Let me think of it. Okay, maybe we can take up that course. We can take up that program in this class. Guys, do you agree that we can take up college algebra in this course?
Yes.
No problem? Okay, guys, our subjects for the next meeting will be college algebra and the communication